1998 Ford Ranger. I got to do the leaf springs in it. One of them broke. I got shackles. I got all new hardware. The only thing I didn't get was shocks. Should have done that. Hopefully that's not going to bite me in the butt. Speaking of butts. Look at that. Perfect. Let's talk about your big butt. Brand new springs from ATS. These guys are right down the street from me in Souderton, PA. Pretty good customer service, man, I'll tell you. Pretty good. Right there. You see where it's busted? While I'm under here, I will adjust his brakes because his back brakes are way out. I don't even know if I'm going to tell him that I'm going to do that. I'll tell him later and just ask him, hey, how do the brakes feel? Oh, shit. You kidding me? Hell nah. Yikes. That hurts. Let me see if I got any enough to break it. There you go. Cool. Saves me a little bit of time. Oh, it moved. Gotta be careful not to push this off of the jack stands. Hopefully the sleeve's not spinning. If the sleeve's spinning, I'm just going to cut this shackle in half so I can get the spring out of my way. I think the sleeve is spinning. That's always pleasant. Might be time for a new blade. There you go. More death and destruction. More. Oh yeah. Much better. Much better. Come on. Hope I can get my fat ass under here to torque all these down while the suspension's loaded. Right here's not lining up yet, but I still got a ways to go back here. So I'll worry about that when it's time to jack it up. It's gonna be a little tricky. Do I want to go this way or that way? It's just fine this way. Boom, right in there. Come on. It's a little just bent a little too much. I'm still strong. You want to tighten these as even as possible. You want the same amount of threads showing on all four. There's the torque spec to it, which I will look up later. Right now I'm just trying to get everything assembled and then try to preload the suspension as best as I can. And I also want to make sure that these are parallel, not, you know, like that. I want to be nice and parallel. That should be good for now until I torque it up, and I'm going to do the rest the same with all this stuff. Just going to snug it up. Grinder. This freaking thing is still hot, but let's see. Yep, can get in there now. Awesome. Cool. Worked. All right, on to the other side.